All right, Efren, thank you so much for that update. Now, big news today. We want to give you an update. There could be changes before a final opinion comes. Many state officials and organizations are reacting to the news that abortion could soon be the law of the land. There was also leaked information today out of the Supreme Court. A lot to unpack here. News 19's Becky Buds explains what it means for South Carolina.
The legality of abortion is uncertain after a draft decision was leaked from the U.S. Supreme Court that would strike down Roe v. Wade. Right now, it has no immediate effect on abortion access, though the final version is expected in a few weeks. So what does that mean for South Carolina? Last year, our state passed a fetal heartbeat bill that almost completely outlaws abortion, but it was put on hold by the courts. University of South Carolina political science professor Kirk Randazzo says if the Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade, that affects our state immediately.
Currently in South Carolina, there is a fetal heartbeat bill that was passed a year ago that had an injunction placed on it by a federal district court judge. If Roe is overturned, then that bill would immediately become the law of the state.
The fetal heartbeat law would prohibit abortion in most cases if a fetal heartbeat is detected or at about 6 weeks. That's before most women know they're pregnant. South Carolina's previous abortion law, still in effect for now, allows abortions up to 20 weeks. CEO of the Women's Rights and Empowerment Network, Ann Warner, is fighting to keep it that way.
So when the state imposes that kind of deeply personal decision on an individual, it has ripple effects for their lives and for generations to come.
Warner says no matter the court's decision, her organization will continue to provide care and make sure women have access to the health care they need.
We will not stop fighting. This is a long-term fight. We've been at it for years. We know that we represent the majority.
If the court overturns Roe, Randazzo expects other organizations will follow suit.
My guess is on the heels of this decision, there will be a lot more court cases trying to clarify exactly where the law is and potentially get Roe reinstated as precedent.
A final decision on the matter could arrive sometime this summer. In Columbia, Becky Buds, News 19 WLTX.
Well, last week, the South Carolina House approved a bill that requires doctors to tell women who seek medication to have an abortion that there is a way, albeit an unproven way, to reverse the procedure if they choose. Again, that was just passed in the House.